sick.
Southeastern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 12:45 p.m. At 8:39 a.m. Doppler radar indicates heavy rain across portions of the Warren area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Atlantic City, Barnegat, Pleasantville, Center City, Brigantine, Abington, Margate City, Egg Harbor City, Huntington, Port Republic, Lazy River, Brookville, Beach Haven West, Base River State Forest, Chatsworth, New Gretna, Warren Grove, Penn State Forest, Pomona, and Mystic Island. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. High tides this morning can also affect drainage along mainland and barrier island communities on the back bays. This could increase flood levels or keep flood waters in place for a longer period of time. Move to higher ground now. Do not enter or cross flowing water while water is below depth. Dry